Hello guys, we're going to start our very first lesson on elapsed time. And if you watched my first video, you know that elapsed time is just a way of saying how much time passes between one time to the next. So if I wanted to look at some types of elapsed time problems, they might tell me what my start time is and what my end time is. And so you'll see that on your classwork over the next couple of weeks, where they give you your start time and your end time. So let's say that I started watching a movie at 6:40, and that movie ended at 8:58. So I started watching the movie at 6:40, and I finished at 8:58. And my question is, how long was the movie? Well, we can solve this on a number line. And so when we use a number line to solve elapsed time, we're going to start at our start time, which is 6:40. And we're going to hop on this number line all the way until we get to 8:58. Now, I can hop in any way that I want to. I can hop by 10 minutes at a time. I can hop by 30 minutes at a time. But what's really important is that you're being accurate with your math. And so the best way to do this would be to do things that are a little bit easier to add up in your head. So for example, if I hopped 1 hour, and when we draw 1 hour on our number line, I usually draw a mountain because it shows me that it's different than hopping by minutes. 1 hour is a longer period of time. So if I hop 1 hour from 6:40 to 7:40, my minutes are going to stay the same. It's just that now I'm at the next hour. So instead of 6:40, I would be at 7:40. Now I look and I see, can I hop another hour? Well, my movie ends at 8:58. If I hop another hour from 7:40, I'm going to get to 8:40. And good news, that's not past my end time, so I can hop another hour. And you can see that this is going to take me a lot less time than if I hopped by 10 minutes the whole time, because that would be a whole lot of stuff to put on my number line. So if I hop another hour, I'm going to get 6:40, 7:40, and I'm going to jump all the way to 8:40. Now, unfortunately, I can't jump another hour because then I'll get all the way to 9:40, and that's past the time that my movie ended. So now I might start hopping by, let's say, 10 minutes at a time. So if I hop 10 minutes from 8:40, 10 minutes from 8:40, well, what's 40 plus 10? 50. I would be at 8:50. And oh my goodness, 8:50 is very close to 8:58. If I want to get to 8:58, I'm going to have to add 8 minutes to 8:50. So if I hop another 8 minutes, I'll get to 8:58, which is the time that my movie ended. And so that's how I know. I'm going to try to focus the camera a little bit. That's how I know. Oops, there it goes. That's how I know that I'm done with my number line. But now I need to answer the question, how long was the movie? Well, I have a bunch of little hops here. If I add them together, I'm going to get the length of the movie. So I'll add my hours first. 1 hour plus 1 hour, that's 2 hours. And then I can add my minutes. 10 minutes plus 8 minutes gives me 18 minutes. So my movie was 2 hours and 18 minutes long.